Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's Baby Life. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Here are some daily life sentences. Where are you? आप कहाँ हो? Here are the answers. You can say in drawing room, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, I'm in the dining room, I'm in the bedroom, etc. And what are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? I'm watching television, I'm playing cricket, I'm painting, etc. Like this, you can use these sentences. I'm doing laundry, I'm doing the dishes, ये सब मम्मी के लिए. I'm sweeping the floor, I'm mopping the floor, पोछा लगाना, I'm making the bed, I'm folding clothes, I'm making meal, खाना बना रही हूँ. Daddy's answer, I'm shaving my beard, I'm doing my office work, I'm having breakfast, I'm replying to office mails, etc. These can be the answer for daddy. How are you? आप कैसे हो? I'm good. I'm okay. Not too bad. Alright, pretty good. I'm doing really well. These can be the answers for how are you. You can say any of them. How was your day? आपका दिन कैसा रहा? It was boring, it was tiring, थकान भरा, it was joyful, खुशी से भरा. These can be the answers. Some more questions for everyday life. Do you want chocolate? क्या आपको chocolate चाहिए? Yes, I want one. हाँ मुझे एक चाहिए. Please give it to me. Do you want some more food or milk? क्या आपको थोड़ा और खाना या दूध चाहिए? These are for kids actually mainly. What would you like to eat today? आज आप क्या खाना पसंद करोगे? I would like to eat pizza. चाउमीन. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खाना पसंद करूँगा. Can I play outside, mama? क्या मैं बाहर खेल सकता हूँ? Yes, why not? हाँ, क्यों नहीं? He gets sick very easily. वह बहुत आसानी से बीमार हो जाता है. I caught a cold. मुझे जुकाम हो गया, मम्मा. I have a headache. मुझे सर में दर्द है. I have a fever. मुझे बुखार है. कफ, खांसी, डायरिया, दस्त, स्टमक एक, पेट दर्द. He catches cold easily. उसे आसानी से ठंड लग जाती है. The kid is smelling the soup. बच्चा सूप को सूंघ रहा है. Do you watch television? क्या आप टीवी देखते हैं? Do you like playing football? क्या आपको फुटबॉल खेलना अच्छा लगता है? Yes, mama. I feel like throwing up or vomit. मुझे उल्टी आ रही है. I wish I could help you. काश मैं आपकी मदद कर पाता. What time is it? समय क्या हुआ है? When you want to ask time, it's almost 4 o'clock. 12 बजने वाले हैं. It's 9:15 means 9:15. 9:15 बज गए. It's 9:45 means 9:45. 9:45 बजे हैं. It's 10:30 means 10:30. 10:15. It's 20:10 means 10:20. It's 20:11 means 10:40. So you understand the concept of time? You can use it in your daily life. Let's make homemade pizza. चलो घर का बना पिज़्ज़ा बनाते हैं. Maybe I can help you. शायद मैं आपकी सहायता कर सकता हूँ. I'm not giving this back. Usually kids do this for toys. मैं इसे वापस नहीं दे रहा हूँ मम्मा. I need to get something to eat. मुझे खाने के लिए कुछ चाहिए मम्मा. Please give me food. What are you trying to do? तुम क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? I'm trying to make sand castle. मैं रेत का महल बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.